after the in-cab inspection, I'm going to move on to my brake test. The first one I'm going to start with checking is my parking brake. I'm going to put it in drive, make sure my parking brake is applied, and I'm going to lightly tug on it by pressing on the gas to make sure it holds it. Alright, I know my parking brake is working. Next, I'm going to do this, put in my parking brake. I'm going to turn off the vehicle. I'm going to turn on the electricity so I can do my leak test, so my gauges are working. The first one I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down on the brake and I'm going to time it for a minute. And within that minute, I'm checking to see that it's no more than 3 that no more than 3 psi drops in that minute time frame, or 4 if my trailer is air connected. I put down on the brake. After the initial drop, I'm watching it to make sure no more than 3 drops.
Okay, let's say the minute's up.
Okay. After I make sure of that, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stab brake down to about 60 psi on my gauge. And what I'm looking for is that my alarm and buzzer go off, telling me that it's low pressure. Okay, that's working. And then I continue down to about 30. And what I'm checking for is that my parking brake pops out. Alright, that's working too. So now I'm going to turn on the truck and build my pressure back up so I can do the service brake test. Now that my pressure is built back up to do the service brake test, I'm going to back up just a couple inches to make sure I can get my chalk out. And I'm going to shut the vehicle off, take the keys with me, make sure I have 3 points of contact getting out. Contact getting in. Put my seatbelt on. Start the vehicle back up. And then I'm going to do the service brake test. And to do that, I'm going to put it in drive. Turn off my parking brake. I'm then going to move forward to about 5 miles per hour, then moderately put on the brakes. And what I'm checking for is see if it pulls to the left or the right, and that would tell me that my brakes are adjusted equally on both sides and that they are the same.